morning, or by the time I post this, it'll probably be afternoon or night, not sure. Anyway, I just wanted to share these awesome results with you guys that we've gotten the past couple of weeks, because that's what you want to see, right? You like seeing the results that I get from my clients. You like seeing when I point out the scammer and the stuff that he does. I'm not sure what y'all like the most. Honestly, it seems like y'all like me talking about the scammer more, but as much as you may think I like talking about him, I honestly like talking about credit repair and showing the results I get more. But again, I'm here to post the content that you want. So if you will, put down in the comments what you prefer to see. Either way, I'm going to show my results. Either way, if the scammer's lying to you, I'm going to point that out too. So, and I do have another video about another scammer that I'm eventually going to make once I get permission from one of this scammer's previous clients to share some of the emails and stuff that this person, I'll say person, shared with them, which is kind of mind-blowing, but I'm not surprised at all. The credit repair industry is going downhill. It really is. And it's because of these scammers. There's very few people out here doing this the correct way, the legal way, and it's hard to know who to sign up with. I mean, who do you sign up with? But we post results. We post them consistently. Make sure that y'all go to the description, follow my Facebook page, follow my Instagram page, hit that like button, subscribe. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.